Hello students, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss grade 9 mathematics third term test paper for the upcoming term test. I invite you to subscribe my channel and watch more videos. First question, recollect your memory on the assessment done in the lesson area and answer the following questions. First one, write down the names of two plane figures of which you found the areas in the lesson. What are the names of two plane figures? We can take parallelogram. Then trapezium, circle. These are the plane figures, circle. Then trapezium. You can write two of them. Then next part, in ABCD parallelogram, the side AD is perpendicular to BE. AD is perpendicular to BE. There is a circle with center O located inside the parallelogram and which touches two parallel sides AD and BC of the parallelogram. Copy the figure into your answer script and then second part, find the area of the parallelogram ABCD. The parallelogram ABCD, the base is given as 20 centimeters. Then the perpendicular height is 8 centimeters. So 20 multiplied by 8 is 160 square centimeters. That is the area. Then third part, show that the length of the side AE is 6 centimeters by using Pythagoras relation. If we use the Pythagoras relationship for AEB triangle, we can take AE squared plus BE is 8. 8 squared equals 10 squared. Then AE squared plus 64 equals 100. AE squared equal to 100 minus 64, that is 36. AE is equal to the square root of 36, 6 centimeters. Then part 4, find the area of the triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, we can find the base as AE, that is 6 centimeters. Then the perpendicular height is 8 centimeters. So 2 times 1, 2 times 4. Then the area can be calculated as 24 square centimeters. Then part 5, write down the name of the polygon BCDE. BCDE and find its area. The name of the polygon BCDE is trapezium. That is a trapezium. How to find the area of the trapezium? Half into base, half into perpendicular height. Perpendicular height can be taken as 8 into addition of two parallel sides. Addition of the lengths of two parallel sides. One length is 20, the other one. AD equal to 20 centimeters, then AE 6 centimeters. So ED equal to 20 minus 6, that is 14. So we can take it as 20 plus 14. Then I can write here half multiplied by 8 multiplied by 34. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. So area equal to 4 times 4 is 16. 1 is remaining. 4 times 3, 12 plus 1 is 13. Then 136 square centimeters is the area. Then part 6. Find the radius of the circle with center O. The diameter of the circle is 8 centimeters. So radius equal to half of it. 8 divided by 2 is 4 centimeters. Then part 7. Find the area of the circle to the nearest whole number by taking 5 equals 22 over 7. The area of the circle is calculated by 5r squared. 22 over 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So we can take the multiplication here. 4 times 4 is 8. 22 should be multiplied by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 is remaining. 8 times 2 16 plus 1 is 176. So divide by 7. 7 times 2 14. 3 is remaining. For 36. 7 times 5 35. 1 is remaining. For 10 7 times 1 is 10. 1 is 7. 3 is remaining. We'll take this one. This is in square centimeters. So we can take the approximate value to the nearest whole number. 25 square centimeters. Question number 2. A part. Simplify and express the answer in its simplest form. We are given this 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 of 4 over 5 plus 3 over 5. First we have to do the operation inside the bracket. So I can write 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 of means multiplication. Then if I add the two fractions inside the bracket, you get 7 over 5 here. 7 over 5. Then I can simplify these two fractions, the multiplication. No common factors, so we have to we have to multiply the two numerators and the two denominators here. Then I can write 3 over 4 plus 7 times 3 is 21. Then 5 times 3 is 20. Then we can take the common denominator. What is the common denominator of 4 and 20? The LCM of 4 and 20 is 20. So the first fraction should be multiplied by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus this remains unchanged. Then the addition is 36. 36 over 20. Now we can simplify it. That is 18 over 10 equal to 9 over 5. We can represent it as a mixed number. 5 times 1 is 5. Then the remaining is 4. 4 over 5 is the last answer. B part. A vendor buys an item for 5,000 rupees and marks its price so that he earns a profit of 20%. When selling the item, if the payment is down outright, a discount of 5% is offered. First part. Find the marked price of the item. We can find the marked price by multiplying 5000 rupees by 120 over 100. Then we can simplify it like this. Two zeros can be cut off. Then we have to multiply this. 12 times 5 is 60. Then we have to put 2 zeros. Then the answer is 6000. The mark price is 6000. Question number 2. Find the profit which the seller earns if the payment is down outright. We can find the discount given here. First we will do the third part. Find the discount that customer receives. We can find the discount by 6000 multiplying by 5 over 100. 5% of discount is offered. Then we can simplify like this. 60 multiplying by 5 is 300. 300 discount is given. So part 2, we will do it now. Find the profit which the seller earns if the payment is down outright. Then we can find the selling price now. 300 rupees is deducted by the marked price of the item. Then the selling price can be found by 6000 minus 300. That is 5700 rupees. Then part 4. Find the profit percentage after offering the discount to the customer. The profit here the second part we are asking the profit. This is the selling price. So what is the profit earned by the seller? Profit is 5700 minus the buying price is 5000. Then the profit is 700 rupees. 700. Then in part 4 we are asking the profit percentage. The profit is 700. Then the buying price of the item is 5000. Then this can be multiplying by 100%. 2 zeros can be cut off. Then 0 and 0 can be cut off. 70 dividing by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Then for 20, 5 times 4. 14% is the answer. Question number 3, A part. We are given this set in descriptions. First question. Write down the sets A and B in terms of their elements. A. Set A is described as odd numbers from 1 to 10. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the elements of set A. Then B. B is the set prime numbers from 1 to 10. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Then in second question number 2, represent the above data in a Venn diagram. We can use a rectangle for the universal set here. Then is there intersection here? Yes. 3, 5 and 7 are common elements. So we have to draw 2 circles like this. Then this is the universal set. This is set A and this one is set B. The intersection is 3, 5, 7. 3, 5 and 7 is here. Then in set B we have 2 more than this. Then in set A 1 and 9. We have to write 1 and 9 here. Then the universal set is whole numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. We have to write it outside the circles. Then third question. Based on the Venn diagram, write each of the following sets in terms of its elements. First one, A part, A intersection B. The elements are 3, 5 and 7. Then the other one, A union B dash. A union B is this one. So dash means outside the circle. Outside the circle we have 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 10. B part, a bag contains 3 red balls and 2 yellow balls of the same size and shape. Randomly drawing a ball from the bag and recording its color. 3 red balls, red 3, then 2 yellow balls. Altogether there are 5 balls. Then question number 1. Write the sample space of this experiment. Sample space can be denoted as capital S. Then R1, R2 and R3 as we have 3 red balls. Then 2 white balls. Y1, 2 yellow balls. Y1, Y2. This is the sample space. Then second question. Find the probability of drawing a red ball. There are 3 red balls. The total is 5. So the probability is 3 over 5. Third question. Find the probability of drawing a yellow ball. 2 yellow balls are there. Altogether there are 5 balls. So the probability is 2 over 5. Question number 4. Part 1. A part we have this. A over 2 plus A over 3 equal to 5. We have to solve and take the answer of A. We can take 6 as the common denominator as the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So I will take 6 as the common denominator. The first fraction should be multiplied by 3. 3 times A is 3A. Then the second by 2. 2 times A, 2A equal to 5. Then the addition is, these two are like terms, so we can add them. 5A. 5A over 6 equal to 5. Then 5 and 5 can be removed as we have common factors. 5 times 1, 5 times 1. So A equal to 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Then B part, 2 times 3 times x plus 1 plus x minus 5 equal to 9. First we can remove this minus 5. We have to add plus 5 to both sides. Then you get 2 times, I will remove the bracket here, 3x plus x plus 3 plus x equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. Then we can add these like terms. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x plus 3 times 2 equal to 14. Then you can divide both sides by 2. Then you get 4x plus 3 equal to 14 divided by 2 is 7. Then 4x equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4. Then you can divide both sides by 4. Then x equals 1. Second part. Solve the pair of simultaneous equations. 4x minus 2y equals 10. Then the other one is 3x plus 2y equals 4. I'll take the equations as 1 and 2. Then I can add the equations. Here we have minus 2y, here plus 2y. The same magnitudes with positive signs. So I can add the two equations. 1 plus 2. Then the left hand sides are added. 4x plus 3x is 7x. Then here these two can be cancelled. Then 10 plus 4 is 14. Then I can divide both sides by 7 now. 7 and 7 is removed. X equals 14 divided by 7 is 2. Now we can substitute this value to one equation here. I will take this one. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2y equals 4. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 2y equals 4. Then 2y equals 4 minus 6. 2y equals 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Then divide both sides by 2 now. Then y equals minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Third part, find the value of 5 minus 6x when x equals half. We can substitute the given value here. 5 minus 6 multiplied by 1 over 2. 2 and 6 can be simplified by using the common factors. 2 times 1, 2 times 3. Then 5 minus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Question number 5. Use the straight edge with a centimeter millimeter scale and a pair of compasses for the following constructions. Show your construction lines clearly. First part. Construct the triangle ABC such that AB equals 6 centimeters, BAC angle 90 and ABC 60 degrees. First we have to draw a straight line segment. I will draw the straight line segment like this. Then we have to take the distance between the point of compasses as 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter distance. So place the point of compass like this and draw an arc. Then without changing the distance, keep the point of compass here and draw another arc like this. So these 2 points are A and B. The length is 6 centimeters. Then we have to construct the angle BAC or ABC. First we will construct the angle ABC, 60 centimeters. Keep the point of compass here and draw an arc by intersecting the straight line segment AB. Without changing the distance between the point of compass, keep the point of compass here and draw another arc by intersecting the first arc. Now this intersecting point and B point should be joined. These 2 points should be joined like this. You have to extend the straight line segment here. Then now you have to construct the BAC triangle. BAC. Keep the point of compass on A point and draw two arcs on either side of the point A like this. Then change the distance between the point of compass some more and keep the point of compass here and draw two arcs like this. Without changing the distance, keep it here and also draw an arc by intersecting this arc. So, this intersecting point and A point should be joined here. Intersecting point and A point should be joined. Then this angle is now 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This intersecting point is C of the two lines. Then second part, construct the angle bisectors of ABC angle and ACB angle. Angle bisect of BC and ACB. Angle bisector. We can keep the point of compass like this and by taking this arc, then keep it here and draw an arc. Then here also you have to keep it and draw an arc. Now join the intersecting point and point B. This is the angle bisect of ABC. Then in the same way you have to take the angle bisect of ACB. Keep it here and draw an arc. Then by placing the point of compass like this, draw another arc. Then without changing the distance, keep it here and draw an arc. Draw an arc by intersecting this arc. Now this intersecting point and point C should be joined. So this is the angle bisect of ACB. Name the point of intersection of above 2 and 2 as O. This is the intersecting point. So this is O. And construct a perpendicular from O to straight line AB. O to straight line AB. So how to construct that? You have to place the point of compass here. Then draw an arc like this. Draw another arc like this. Then keep it here and draw an arc. Then without changing this distance, keep it on the other arc and draw another arc by intersecting the first arc. Now this intersecting point and O point should be joined. This is the perpendicular to AB. Name the intersecting points of AB and the perpendicular as D. This is the point D. Construct a circle taking OD as the radius and O as the center. We have to construct the circle like this. I will take another color here. Now keep the point of compass here and take OD as the radius and draw an arc. So this is the circle you get. Question number 6. A part. First question. Based on the given information, build a relationship between x, y and z. Here x, y are interior angle of the triangle, then z is the exterior angle. So we know that a theorem, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So we can write it x plus y equal to z. That is the relationship that we can build up here. Then in second part, copy the following figure into your answer script. Based on the given information, find the value of A, B, C. I will draw the figure first. This is the figure given. These two are parallel. Then ABC is here, 30 degrees. Then this one 100 degrees. How to find now? We can find the value of A first. In this triangle, this is the exterior angle. These two are interior opposite angles. So I can write A plus 30 equal to 100 degrees. A equals 100 minus 30, that is 70. As these two lines are parallel, B and 30 degrees are equal as they are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal, so B equal to 30 degrees. Now we can easily find C as these three angles are located on a straight line. We know that the sum of the angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So I can write C plus A is 70, then B is 30 equals 180 degrees. Then C plus 100 degrees is equal to 180. C equals 180 degree minus 100 degrees. 80 degrees is the answer. B part. The following figure shows the magnitudes of the exterior angles of a pentagon. First question. What is the value of x in degrees? We know that in any polygon, the exterior angle sum equal to 360 degrees. So I can write the equation x plus 2x plus 4x plus 2x plus 90. These are the 5 angles of the pentagon. The sum is equal to 360. So we can add the like terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x plus 2x 8x. 8x plus x is 9x. 9x plus 90 is equal to 360 degrees. Then 9x equals 360 minus 90, that is 270. So x equals 270 divided by 9. 30 degrees is the answer. The value of x is 30 degrees. Then second part, this is for first part. Second part, find the value of y by using x. Here 2x and y are complementary adjacent angles here. Supplementary. Yes, then I can write y plus 2x is equal to 60 degrees. The sum is 180. So y equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. Question number 7. The masses of 20 limes are given below. mass in grams. This is the information given for us. First part, find the range of the set of data. What is the maximum value here? The maximum value is 30. Then the minimum value. Minimum value is 24. So we can find the range 30 minus 24. That is 6. 6 is the range here. Second part, the following ungrouped frequency distribution prepared using the above information. Copy it in your answer script and complete it. We can complete the frequency distribution like this. The F column, frequency column can be filled like this, and then Fx column. Fx means the multiplication of frequency and x values. So it can be filled like this. Then the sum of f is 20. Then sum of fx is equal to 535. Then next part 3. What is the mode of the above data? Most number of occurring value here is 25. There are 4 lines which have 25 as the mass. So 25 is the most number of occurring value. It is the mode of the data set. Then part 4, find the median of the data. As this data set is an even number of values, we can find the median by taking the average of 20 over 2 and 20 over 2 plus 1th value, that is 10th and 11th. We have to consider the 10th and 11th values. The 10th value is equal to 26 and 11th value is 27. The average of it, that is equal to 26.5. That is the median of the data set. Then last part 5. Find the mean mass of a line to the nearest whole number. We can find it by dividing the sum of fx column. Sum of fx column is 535 by sum of f column, that is 20. Number of lines. If you divide this one, you get 26.75. Then we are asking the answer to the nearest whole number. So we can round off it to 27. That is the mean mass of a line.